So my new goal is to pick one part of my house each week and really dive in, organize it, declutter, redecorate if necessary. Last week I did my entire master bedroom, my bathroom, and my closet. But today I'm just gonna show you a little piece of that because I just want to break it up into smaller segments for you. So today I'm gonna show you my bathroom and my closet, the before and the after footage. And I love before and afters. It's just so exciting to see the difference. Wow, my bathroom was so messy before. This was such a mess before. I totally got rid of a bunch of the bath toys and put together everything right here. I had like so many different bottles of shampoo and conditioner, and then I used to have so many things on the counter. So I really wanted to have a nice clean look and have like nothing on the counters except for this is all I'm allowed. Do you like how clean the bathroom is? I made it so clean. Huh. Look at see the bathtub? Yeah. Look how clean it is. There's not toys all over. Remember when there's like toys all over? There's toys everywhere. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe and be sure to click the bell because that will ensure that YouTube will notify you each time I upload a new video. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, go find me at Wannabe Balanced because I post daily pictures of my family and different pictures of my house and all the things that we're up to on a daily basis, plus Insta stories.